today I want to show you how to check your hydraulic fluid and why you should check your hydraulic fluid. How you doing? My name is Randy. I work for Triangle Equipment Group. I'm a technician here. Well, hydraulic fluid on these machines carry a lot of functions. They control your lift, your tilt, your parking brake, your steering, drive motors, so forth. That's how the machine's able to do all the heavy lifting and all the work that it needs to be doing is using the hydraulic fluid and pressure. On skid steers, there's 3 different ways you can check your hydraulic fluid. Depending on the model that you have, you might have something as simple as a circular sight glass. And if you look down here, you can see the fluid inside of it. As long as there's fluid inside of here, you know that it's well within the reservoir and that it's at a full level. You don't want to overfill it, so you just want to get that little ball right there to the top of the sight glass. Be sure that you check your hydraulic fluid with the lift arms down so that you know all the fluid is pushed back into the reservoir and you get accurate reading on your sight glass. So as you can see on different types of machines, this one being a T770, we have a different type of sight glass for your hydraulic fluid. As long as your fluid is somewhere in between this sight glass, you're well within your limits of what you should be having in your reservoir to run your functions on your fluid. So the third and final way that you might have a way to check hydraulic fluid on the skid steer or on the older machines might be a dipstick style. As you can see, you pull the dipstick straight out of the reservoir. You have a full mark and you have a low mark. And as long as you're in between these 2 marks here, you're well within your limits of hydraulic fluid inside the system.